Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is extremely creative, stylish, and beautiful because in this video I'm going to share very stylish, very creative, mesmerizing, and eye-catchy new modern embroidery, 3D embroidery, hairstyle embroidery, nature inspired embroidery, many in one different patterns of very easy and unique hand embroidery design patterns for beginners. Yes friends, you have heard it right. Different type of hairstyle ideas, hairstyle embroidery, 3D embroidery, girl embroidery, and many more creative items you can view in this very beautiful collection. But friends, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my videos for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Friends, all of these designs are entirely creative, classy. You can use them for making hand embroidered buttons, for making these patterns onto your pendants, jewelry, as a hoop art, for gifting to your loved ones, for hanging onto your room walls, for creating the beauty of your home decor, for creating very beautiful and mesmerizingly eye-catchy embroidery patterns onto your shirts, t-shirts, sweatshirts. Even you can embroider this very beautiful hairstyle embroidery pattern, 3D embroidery pattern, and very latest and unique and trendy technology based embroidery patterns to create very eye-catchy and stylish pattern. You can also make customized names to gift your loved ones, or if you have started a business, then you can also go for massive requests of your clients and can earn a very handsome amount of money by selling these very beautiful and pretty 3D embroidery patterns. So for watching more creative, stylish, and artistic design ideas of hand embroidery, machine embroidery, hand art, and many more creative things, don't forget to follow us. Don't forget to watch my videos on daily basis, and if you really like my today's collection, then please don't forget to like my video, and hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves, stay tuned, stay blessed, and stay connected. And once again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave comments below so that we could get to know that what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you on daily basis. So thank you, and once again, stay blessed. Hope to see you soon back in my new content, and keep watching my content, keep supporting me as you always have been. With your love and support, we have reached a remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members, and with your love and support, we are going to cover more milestones. So thank you so much once again.